Recording in progress.
Candy, good morning, everyone. Online students, can you hear my voice? Say yes or no to me once. The last class on Saturday, we written one program where holding user-defined class objects. Anyway, user-defined class objects. Right. I took one second program where array is holding user-defined class objects. Write a program to display, read and display multiple product details using array. I said this program I written. This is the class, user defined class, and we are reading multiple here. Let me draw one small diagram. Before drawing that small diagram, here I'll do some operations here down. So I'll write one while loop down. End of what happened? End of. I'm using here. I'm doing some operations. I'm doing here. System dot out dot println sort by code. I want sorting based on the code. Right. Now display nothing but I can say view, I think. View product by code. Whenever I entered a code, the product details should come from that array. Okay, right. One exit. Just I'm doing two operations I'm doing. Okay, right. These two operations I'm doing. Let me run once and check it. Right before that, system dot out dot println, enter the choice. Switch off integer dot parse int s dot next line. I'm reading the choice directly anyway. End of switch. Now, here are two cases I am taking. Two cases I am taking. Default system dot out dot println invalid choice. Invalid choice. Here case 3 also there. No? System dot exit out exit here. System dot out dot println. You can say operation stopped. Actually, this kind of operations are more flexible on collection. Actually, array sorting also available. I want to introduce that point to you. Array sorting also available. I want to introduce that. For that I'm writing. Right. First, let me run normally here. Enter the number of products. I'll take 2 here. Enter 2 product details. A11, suppose some core Java. Product price is 1200 and quantity 12. Product code is C23. Some advanced Java and some 1800 and 18. These 2 are products. Do some operations on this product. Basically, 2 operations will be there. 2 operations will be there. One is a sort by code. One is view product by code. If you enter one product code, the details should come. That's a concept. If I enter a wrong choice here, invalid choice and repeat the operations. So if I say exit, 3 is exit, the program stopped anyway. So I want to do sorting now. Okay, right? So whenever I want to do, this is yesterday's program only. This one already, this program, time not there, I typed up to there. So today I want to show that sorting also available. Predefined method available known as sort. I'm introducing that to sort to you. My intention is that for today. So if you want to do sorting, okay, right. Now make a heading here. Define sorting process. Define sorting process. The process of ordering elements in ascending order or descending order. The process of ordering elements in ascending order or descending order is known as sorting process. Sorting process. The process of ordering elements in ascending order or descending order, we call it as sorting. This is normal sorting anyway. We use sort method from java.util.arrays class. We use sort method from java.util.arrays class to perform sorting process. We use sort method from java.util.arrays class to perform sorting process. Sorting process. We use sort method from java.util.arrays class to perform sorting. So method signature, predefined method signature will be there. Method signature of sort. Method signature of sort. Right. Okay. Look here. I'll show one sort method to you from arrays class. Sort method. Java p java.util.arrays. So sort many flowers are there anyway. I can write directly. Right, make it public, static, void, sort of t array. Means if I write generic, it can accept any type. It's a meaning, no? It can accept any type. So this is a predefined method. This is static method and non-static method. Static. So syntax will be arrays. Arrays dot sort of array variable will be there. Array variable, we have to pass it. So sorting means many techniques will be there generally. So bubble sort will be there, insertion sort will be there, quick sort will be there like this. Many sorts will be there. Okay, right. High performance sorting is quick sort. Next high performance is merge. Generally your APIs will use quick and merge they'll use API. API means predefined. They'll use quick or merge they'll use. For us, 3 objects available. One is integer objects are there, nothing but wrapper class objects are there, string objects are there, and user defined class objects are there. Okay, right. Make it here. This is sort method. This is sort method. This is sort method uses quick sorting process. Quick sorting process on wrapper class objects and string objects The sort method uses quick sorting process on wrapper class objects and string objects. Right. But this sort process, nothing but the sort method uses merge sorting process on user defined class objects. Underline this. Quick sorting process underline, merge sorting process underline. For user defined class objects, merge sorting process will be there. For wrapper class objects, quick sorting process will be there. So merge or quick, we're going to use it. So now the objects are user defined class objects. So merge sort will be activated automatically. This is sort method internally uses two algorithms. Based on the type of objects, it activates the algorithm. That's the meaning. It's a predefined algorithm. Generally, how the merge sort will be there? How merge sort will be there here? This. Now look here. Suppose these are the elements. Suppose. Now, whenever it want to do merge sort, generally, this is the first element. This will be the first element, generally. Always with the first element, the second element will be compared. Means 9 is compared with 11. So second element means, second element is known as coming element, we can say. So coming element is compared with the existing element. So 9 is compared with 11. When the 9 is compared with 11 here now, 9 is less than 11. So 9 will be inserted before 11. Now this is one sorted list. Now the coming element is 17. Now the coming element is 17. So 17 compared with 9 first. 17 compared with 9 greater. 17 compared with 11 greater. So 17 will sit after 9 and 11. After 9 and 11 and 17 will come. So this is one sorted. Now the coming element 10 is compared with this 3. First it is compared with 9. So 10 is greater than 9. Then it compares with 11. Whenever the 10 is less than 11, it will not compare with 17. It inserted in between 9 and 11. That all algorithm says. It inserted 9 and 11. So whenever you inserted 9, 11, the answer will be 9, 10, 11 and 17. Now 15 is compared now. 15 greater than 9, greater than 10, greater than 11, less than 17. So it is inserted in between 11 and 17. So 9, 10, 11, 15 and 17. So here concept is coming one is compared with the existing one. That point you have to catch it. Then the next element is 14. 14 is coming. When the 14 is coming here, of course, here 14 will be in between 11 and 15, no? Right. 9, 10, 11, 14, 15 and 17. Of course, this is sorted. So here merge means coming one is compared with existing one and merges. That's the meaning actually. Before that, the list is divided into two parts. That is, and that will do two parts they will do. Then they will merge and come. Your other will say actually. But I'm writing directly the comparison I'm writing. Okay, right. Now the same thing you should apply for user defined class objects. You have to apply, right? How you will apply now? See there. Exit. Exit. Whenever it is sorting here, case 1 sorting, you can write directly arrays dot sort of Here, OB, na? What I written? OB, no? Right, array. This is sorting process. Error not there because syntactically correct. Error not there. So after sorting, after sorting, I'm displaying the elements. To display, I'm using this special iterator now. Right. You can use special iterator, you can use extended for. Okay, right. I'll use extended for. Can I use extended for? Right. For the type of data is product. Object, sorry, array name is OB. Now system dot out dot println p. P dot to string. Actually, if you don't write to string, also answer should come. Look here. Whenever I run this, enter the number of products. So B11 I'm taking. So product name is Core Java. Price is 1212. A23 I'm taking. Some advanced Java I'll take. 1818. Up to here it is running. Whenever I selected case 1, sorting should happen and that A23 should come first because in your ascending order, A is having ASCII value less, no, right? But error will come. The algorithm is activated. The algorithm is running, but product is having how many fields now? 4 fields. It don't know, no. It has to sort by what? Algorithm don't know. If it is a single value, it will do. If give all strings, it will do. Give all integers, it will do. Because their single values are there. Whenever the product is there, 4 fields are there. Algorithm don't know, no. Whether it has to sort by coda, sort by name, sort by price, sort by quantity, it don't know. That specification developer has to give. It has to give an information to the algorithm. I want a sorting process on code. You must say, sir, how I should provide that information? Whenever you want to provide that information, 2 steps you have to follow. Make it. Now write the notes. To perform here, put one small line like this to separate your notes. To perform sorting process on user defined class objects. To perform sorting process on user defined class objects, we use the following steps. We use the following steps. Step 1. The first step is the user defined class must be implemented from java.lang.comparable interface. The user defined class must be implemented from java.lang.comparable interface. Java.lang.comparable interface. Comparable interface. It's a predefined component. Now structure of comparable. Structure of comparable. Structure of comparable. let me open that comparable ones. I'll open comparable. Java.lang lang.comparable. Right. Write the structure and draw one box and keep it. It is having one abstract method, compare to. So draw one box and keep it. Okay. Now look here. Whatever the user defined class, we had it. Product. This is the product. Already this product automatically extended from object. Now it should be implements from comparable. The rule. Now this is multiple inheritance program. Yes or no? This is multiple inheritance model. Product taking features from object. That is toString method coming from object only. And the comparable is giving one method. What is the method now? Compare to. So what are the rules of your interface now? Sir, if any class implemented from one interface, by terminology, the class is implementation class. The coding rule. The implementation class has to take all abstract methods and write the body. So now we have to take this method inside. So compare to method. So step 2 here. Right. User defined class. User defined class must implement compare to method. Implement means writing the body. Implement compare to method, and the method will hold sorting specification logic. Sorting specification logic. So through this compare to method, we are giving information to algorithm. You must sort based on what? We are going to give the informations. Then I am calling it as sorting specification logic, we can say. Sorting specification logic, you can say. Right, see there. Now I'll take compare to method and write the logic. So in this, I am writing compare to method, I should write. So public return type is int compare to here. Here T is there. So T must be replaced. So our object replaced with our object type. So our object type is product. Our object type is product only, no? Our object type is product here. So this is at the rate of override. Just I'm cross checking error coming or not. See there. Sir, why it is not taking product? Why it is not taking product directly means product is a subtype. Already you are in the product only, no? This product cannot be passed inside the product, not possible. So it is taking object we take. Object means the super type is then object. I cannot pass product here because product object inside is not possible. So I'll take object, parent I'll take. So object means parent of all, passing object. Internally, this P you can convert into product because at last you want product object only. You can convert the object, you're going to convert. O I'll take, I'll convert O. Convert. Here we write the logic. First I'll write it. While I'm drawing the diagram, I'll explain. Okay, right. I'm using code. Do you remember string chapter? Yes or no? No. Right. In string chapter, string comparison can be done in two ways. Right. Using equals method, using comparative method. Still few methods are pending from string chapter, I said already. So here one comparative is there now. This comparative is used to compare the strings. So product code is a string. This comparative method means string chapter comparative method will come to compare strings. After comparing string, what is the return type now? Integer value or not now? If string 1 is equal to string 2, what is the Z value now? 0. This specification I written on that day. Do you remember? Right. Okay. Today you should apply. So here I am taking int Z only I'll take. Now product code means code dot compare to of P dot code. If that Z equal to 0, then return 0 means strings are equal. Else if Z value greater than 0, return 1 because S1 is greater than S2. Else RETURN return -1. Now see, now sorting happens. Here suppress warning. Here sorting happens. Run it. Just I constructed 2 steps for user defined class and I'm running once again. 3. Now I'll take here. C11 I'll take. Core Java I'll take. 1212. I'll take A. 22 I'll take. Advanced Java I'll take. Price 1717 I'll take. Next B33 I will take. Product name some Hypernet I will take. Price some 1919. So you can see unsorted data C11, A22, B33. Now I'll do sorting because I used a method, no sort method. Sorting means A must come first, then B, then C. Yes or no? Na? Previously, my error came. Right, okay. Now see, sort. Sorting happened now. Can you see here? A, B, C. Sorting happened or not now? What I done? 2 steps I done. Right? To do this sorting, 2 steps I done. 1, implemented from comparable. I took comparative method and I write in a body. In that body, some specification is there. So I must understand that specification. For that, I'll explain it. Okay, right. So your sorting is happening here. All of you understood this sort now, right? Now come out. 3, exit. So 2 steps to be followed. 1. User-defined class object must be implemented from comparable and so on. Then sorting is performed. 2 steps. Right. Now, let me write the logic for searching. Searching is there, no? Right. I'll write a manual logic here. Searching manual logic I'll write. Search method I'm not using. Today sort, you should understand. Okay, right. Whenever I want to do searching here. Right. Here. If case 2 means search by product, no? View by product. Okay, right. System dot out dot println. Enter the product code to view details. So string product code 2 is equal to s dot next line product code. Only that product code you should display, right? For that, I am using for loop. Whenever the product code matches with that code, I'll display it. Okay, right. See there. Manually. For loop I am taking. Extended for I am using. Product P is equal to OP. I am taking. So every time P will come out now. P is your product. Okay, right. If that P PC2 dot equals of P dot code. This product code must be equal to this one. To point. Okay, right. Here we can say, here, if it is equal, system dot out dot println, we can display that P dot to string. You can display. Once the match occurred here, you can stop it. Break, you can do. Break means to stop this loop. Break means you can stop the loop, no? When the match occurred, you can stop it. Sorry, if code not there, product code not there, how can I know? For that, here take one variable, boolean, some flag or f is equal to false, you take it. Some boolean, if not bl, you take. False, you take. This variable you take false. When the match comes, bl is equal to true. You are modifying this variable to true. Means what? Match came. Suppose match not occurred. You can write if condition here. If what means, if I write bl means already true, it becomes no. I want false now. Suppose if it becomes true, I must make it as a false. If it is false, I must make it as true and say that system dot out dot println product code invalid product code. If not, product details not available. Better, product code not available. Now let me run this totally, then I'll explain, you'll get a clarity. Okay, right. Now run it. Enter the number of products 3 I am taking. Again, I'll take C again, 1 and core Java I'll take some 1919. I'll take A 2 I'll take. Advanced Java I'll take 1700 and 17, and product code some P 33 I'll take, and Hibernate I'll take, and 1700 again, and 16. So this is okay. Now sort it, and if not, view product by code anyway. Sorting anyway occurring. View product by code. So I'll enter C11, I'll enter. C11 details will come. Can you see this? Only that. Suppose I entered G21, not there, no. Product details is not available. The two concepts working, no? Right, okay. Now exit. So this is the program. This program I may explain with a diagram to you, then the clarity will come. Okay, right, okay. This is my intention of modification of program. Make it example program modified. P1 product dot Java modified. That code modified. P2 demo array2 dot Java. This is main class modified. I'll copy the output also here, because you must know how to do operation, sort operation, search operation indirectly. Minimum knowledge of sort and search, minimum. So the two operations I kept. Right. Now, let me explain with the diagram now how the sorting happens, how the searching happens. Let me explain it. One diagram I'll present. This is the common process you have to do on collection also. Process common only. Okay, right. Here, I took array. Enter the number of products. N is equal to 3. So creating array for 3. N is equal to 3. Creating array for 3. Creating array for 3 here. Zero x1. Now, this reference will hold n. N means I entered 3, no? Right. 3 product objects. Why 3 means n I entered as a 3. This is 3 I entered. So this address is going to hold 3 objects. It's going to hold 3 objects. It's going to. So this is, for this we are adding now. See there. This loop runs how many times now? 3 times. Yes or no now? Right. So product 1 means I is equal to 0, 0 less than 3, 0 plus 1, product 1, read code, name, price, quantity, OB of 0, new product means you have to create object and add for index. You understood this line? No? Can I draw directly? Yes or no? Na? Right. Okay. Now I'm drawing directly. Like this, 3 objects are created. 3 product objects are created. 3 product objects. Three product objects. I'm adding 3 product objects. Right. So here code. So I given code as C11. Name I given core Java. Price I given 1200 and quantity I given 12. To display the data, we had 2 string method is there. 2 string method is there. To do comparison logic, here int compare to here. Int compare to of object. This is a method. Like this, code is equal to A22. Name is equal to advanced Java. Price is equal to 1600. Quantity is equal to 16 roughly. Again, I had 2 string method here. To display the data, I had 2 string method. And for sorting logic or sorting specification, I had here int compare to of O. Here code is equal to B33. Name is equal to some Hibernate I taken. So price is equal to some 1700. Quantity is equal to 17. So 2 string method available here. 2 string method available here. 2 string method available. And here we had a compare. Right. So int compare to of O. Now they are added here. 0x2, 0x3 and 0x4. They added 0x2, 0x3 and 0x4 here. So they are added here. You're listening Java class or Python class? Zero, 1 and 2 here. Look here. So like this is common. I want to show user-defined class objects array. I want to show. My intention is that because I drawn one diagram on integer wrapper class array. Now user-defined class objects array. Moreover, we added one comparative method we added here. Right? Okay. Now see what happens. Sir, after adding all the elements, we are displaying anyway. Special iterator I given in notes to, same concept. So the address will be there and same. There integer objects, here user-defined class objects. There special iterator with integer objects. Now it is product objects. This is okay. Now our target is this one, no? Sort by code is our target. So case 1 here, arrays dot sort of OB. Now the sort method will take that OB, means address. After taking this address, it cross-checks first what type of objects it cross-checks. Because wrapper classes are predefined. Strings are predefined. So algorithm will understand. Other than these two, that is user-defined. It automatically activates merge. whenever it activates a merge here, it activates a merge. When the sort method activate a merge, then sort method has to existing. First element is existing. Second element is coming. Now second element should be compared with the first element. That's the concept. Okay, right. Now second element compared with the first element. Here 4 fields are there. Here 4 fields are there. It's not a single value, no. Now this one, this is coming element or not now? This product A22 is the coming element. C11 is the existing. Now second one should be compared with first, no? Right. When the second one want to compare with first, no? Second one less than this, second one, it has to compare it. Whenever you want to, here 4 fields are available. Then the algorithm will look into compare to method. It will look into compare to. Compare to method of what now? Second element compare to. Means second product compare. It goes to this compare to method. It goes. Whenever it goes to this compare to method, this compare to method will come out. Imagine it. That compare to method coming out. This compare to method coming out. This compare to method will come out. From here, this compare to method comes out. That compare to method will come for execution. This one means what? Second one compare to method becomes, because second one should be compared with first one or not now. Right. Second one compare to method will come for execution. Now second one must be compared with the first one. First one means it takes address. First one address will be taken, object address. What is the object address here now? 0x2 will be taken. So this compare to method will take 0x2 will be taken. It takes 0x2 here. It takes. This 0x2 taken or not now? All have understood this statement. This comparative method coming from product 2. Product 2 is comparing with product 1. Product 1 address is taken here. When the product 1 address taken here, this is converted to P. Means this is object, no? Object converted into user defined. Now P is holding 0x2. When P is holding 0x2, see there, code. This code means this comparative method is running from product 2, no? So product 2 code will come. Product 2 code is nothing but A22 will come. This code. This code means this product comparative method running from here. This code will be taken. Dot compare to P dot code. P means what now? 0x2. 0x2 dot code. Means first one, no? C11 will be taken. Here C11 will be taken. All of you understood this? Say yes or no to me? Right. So current running product is a second product. Second product code will be taken. A22 dot. Rule that only, no? Coming one should be compared with existing. Coming one code came, no? A22 dot compare to P dot code. Comparison came or not now? Now A22 dot compare to C11. Sir, A22 is less than C11. Yes or no? Na? When the S1 is less than S2, minus 1 will come. Negative value will come or not now? So Z value will not be 0. Z value will not be greater than 0. Then the control will come to else or not now? Else what is there now? Minus 1. So the comparative method will say minus 1. I brought minus 1 to you. The comparative method given minus 2 means coming element compared with existing. The algorithm given minus 1 means comparative method compared and given minus 1. When the sorting logic got the minus 1, it will change it. When the minus 1 comes, it will change it. How will change it now? Objects will not be changed. Objects will not be changed. Only addresses will be changed. Have you understood this point? No, right? These addresses will be interchanged. All of you understood this now. Memory will not be changed. Whether you know or not, I don't know. These two rooms will be there. When the new batch comes, strength very new, our Java will be running there also. Python will come here. When the strength decreases, where strength, they'll change it. Means what? They will not change the rooms, they'll change the addresses. Here also, object-oriented programming, object will not move. Addresses will be organized. We sorted, no? All of you understood now? Now, what is the sorted list now? Sir, this is the sorted list according to our analysis. Now, the coming one should be compared with existing or not now? Which one is coming now? Sir, third element is coming. When the third element is coming now, third element comparative method will come out. Third element comparative method will come out. Third element, look here. Third element comparative method will come out. So here will come. Came or not now, right? Now this comparative method came out. When this comparative method came, just now I said no. Sir, coming element should be compared with existing list. There are two available, no? 0x3 is there, 0x2 is there. Now 0x4, first 0x3 must be taken. Okay, right? Now it takes 0x3 first. It has to find no greater or lesser, it has to find it. Okay, right? Now 0x3 will be taken first. Sir, here 0x3 will be taken. The first list, 0x3 will be taken. 0x3 will be taken. This 0x3 converted into P. Anyway, product type, my intention. Now, okay. Now code. This P comparative is running from here now. B33. You have to compare B33. So here B33. B33. Okay, dot compare to P dot code. 0x3 dot code. 0x3 dot code. What is there now? A22 is there. So first compared with A22 compared. Now B33 dot compare to A22. Now B33 is greater than A22 because B capital letter greater than capital A according to ASCII. Greater means what now? S1 greater than S2. Z value will be positive. Sir, when the Z value is positive, here written what now? 1. It returns 1. So the first, it brings 1 here. First it will get 1. Now algorithm will take 1. When the algorithm takes 1, don't change it. When 0 comes, don't change it. Understand this point now? -1 comes only, must change it. That's the meaning of it. Now when the 1 is there, it will not change. Means go for the next element comparison. Don't change anything with this element. Go with the next element comparison. What is the next element now? 0x2. Now it compares with 0x2. First element not changing, no. It compare with the second element. What is the second element now? 0x2. In the 0x2, what is there now? Sir, in 0x2 dot code. 0x2 dot code. C11 available or not now? Now it compares with C11. It compares. It's compare with C11. Now B33 dot compare to C11. Now B33 is less than C11. Less than means what now here? Sir, else -1 will come. For second comparison here, -1 is coming. For second comparison, -1 is coming. Like this, how many elements are there? That many times the comparative will run. When the -1 comes, you have to change it or not now? You have to change it now. Sir, these two elements will be changed. This one and this one will be changed or not now. So what happened now here? Sir, here 0x2 will come. Here 0x4 will come. Understood this? Understood the pattern? Yes or no? Na? Right. So this is sort pattern. So we are not doing any manual logic here. Just we are writing specification. I want to sort by code. I given a code. No, sir. I want to sort by name. Replace this code with name. Elephant is right. I want to sort by price. You do the price comparison here. I want to sort by quantity. Quantity comparison you must do. That's all. So generally array sort will be very less. So this is a specification. All of you understood this sort? Right. Arrays dot sort internally uses merge sorting process automatically. For that, 2 steps you have to follow. The class must be implemented from comparable. You have to take the comparative method and write the specification logic. When you write the specification logic, then the comparative is comparison will be performed and sorting is performed. So point. Now see searching view product by code anyway. Enter the code here. See. I am entering the code. So I entered PC2 is equal to C11 I entered. Imagine. Anyway, the logic is here only, no? Anyway, diagram. Sir, we entered P code 2 is equal to C11 we entered. We have to search for C11. Means we have to see the details of C11. Imagine it. How you will see now? Sir, product P, OB. Means from OB, take one product outside. The first product will come. Product means address will come. What is the first address in the searching process here? Sorry, in the sorted. 0x3 available, no? You do on the sorting only, no problem. 0x3 came, sir. Here 0x3 came. 0x3 dot code means PC2 C11 dot equals of 0x3 dot code. 0x3 dot code. 0x3 dot code. A22. C11 not matched with A22. When the C1 not matched with A22, if condition is not executed, the loop repeats, no? So OB will take the second one. What is the second one here after sorting now? 0x4. 0x4 dot code with C11. 0x4 dot code. B33 compared with C11, not compared. When not compared, this if condition is not executed, again the loop repeats. Now take the third one. Third one is nothing but according to here, 0x2. 0x2 dot code, nothing but C11. Here C11 matched, no? C11 dot equals of C11 true. True means this variable I am making it as true. Printing that P. P is nothing but the object what you brought. Break, stop the loop and come out. When you stop the loop now, BL became true now because match found. So BL is true now. BL is true now. Not true means false, no? False means don't display this message. Suppose the match not occurred here. The product code not matched with any code. If it is not matched with any code now, DL will be false only, no? Means product not found. So I must give the information or not now. For that I am writing not BL. Why not BL? Means BL is false. I am making it as true. Why are making true means to display the message. All of you understood this? Right. Okay. Now this is user defined class objects. Okay. Right. Look here. Here one assignment given n string elements. You can display the string started with the consonants. How many have we done this? Anybody done? Anybody tried first? Raise your hands. Right. Tried? No. I am writing solution. See that. Right. First I'm writing manual logic I'm writing. After that I'll use some method I'll use. Okay, right. First read n string elements. Why I'm taking this program means I want to show sorting on strings. I done sorting on user defined class. I'll do sorting on strings. Alphabetical order will come. Okay, right. I'm taking one program. Demo array 3 I'm taking. Demo array 3 I'm taking. So anyway, import java.util scanner s is equal to new scanner of system.in try of s end of try with resource. Exception e dot print stack trace system dot out dot print ln enter the number of strings, how many strings you want it. So int n is equal to integer dot parse int s dot next line. Now string str equal to new string of n. Now you understood this one and this one now? That is string array only, this one. Now system dot out dot print ln enter n string elements. String elements means strings, n string elements. Now, for loop, no? Right. It is like an object. But int I is equal to 0, I less than str dot length I plus plus. I am taking. Now, system dot out dot println enter the string 1 I plus 1. Str of I equal to new string of s dot next line. All of understood this, right? So display that n strings you can display. Whenever you want to display that strings, system dot out dot display strings, display all strings you can display. I am using extended for, it looks bit simple now, right? Okay. So string objects are available. There are string objects available, no? Right. Okay. Array name is what now? str. So system dot out dot println k. If not, k dot toString. If you don't write toString also, method will run, no? Yes or no? Na? toString. So this is normal what we are doing. Enter the number of strings, some 5 strings. So some Java, Apple, cat, Next what? Bat. Next what? Rat. So from this, I asked you to display the strings which are started with consonants. All of you got this point, right? Okay. Now, before that, let me sort it. Keep them in a sorting order. Sorting means what now? Alphabetical order. Okay, right. So here, I'll give a choice just to show the pattern, because these are all for your interview questions only. Just I'm not writing direct interview questions. That flower I'm introducing means array flower. Moreover, in my, I don't know, according to me, I'll introduce strings after 3 objects only in all the batches. After user defined class object, after wrapper class object, string object. Today I'm working with array. Generally, some students asked me, sir, arrays, why you not started, sir? Why you are not starting? Somebody asked, somebody asked. So in my, according to me, object-oriented programmer will use array to hold objects. Without objects completed, how can you introduce array? If it is a C language trainer, they will introduce array first only, because for him objects are not needed, values. Even Python people also can introduce first one, because they work with, for them automated will come, they feel it, and they show values form and they go. But we have to take care, object-oriented programmer in Java. We have to change the mindset of a student. All are object forms. Even string also, if I write S dot next line, answer will come. But even then, I am writing new string of, I am writing. No need to write new string, because string literal process is there now for you. Directly object will come. But I want to educate a student that there is one string object available. I want to educate it. For that, I am writing new string, I am writing. First program, new integer will be there. Second program, new product is there. Third program, new string is there. If anybody opens my book, array is holding 3 objects he has to fill. Because I am presenting this program to you. To write this program only, I give an assignment to you. To write that program, I give an assignment to you. Here I am putting true, I am writing. System dot out dot println choice operations on string array. Operations on string array. What operations you can do? System dot out dot println. Here sorting. Sorting means sort array. Sort string array. Right. Display strings. What you want? Started with consonants. Display strings started with vowels. Which one you want, you can select it, no? Right, whatever you want, you can write there. Okay, right. Exit, I'm taking. System dot out dot println, enter the choice. Switch off integer dot parse int S dot next line. End of switch. Case 1 break. Case 2 break. Case 3 break. Here case 4. Case 4 system dot out dot println operations stopped. Here system dot out, system dot exit of 0 default. Now system dot out dot println invalid choice. Now case 1, simply nothing is there here. Arrays dot sort of, what is the array name now? str. Sorting completed. Sorting process. It will use quick sort and do. Now display system dot out dot println. So sorted string array. Sorted string array. Sorted string array. You can use this extended for here. You can display. Now look here. Enter the number of strings, 5 strings. Okay, right. Java, just now written no bat, apple, apple, where is the spelling apple? Rat, next cat, so cat. This is normal. Sort string array, display strings started. Spelling mistake. Started with consonants, started with vowels. Now here I'll take sorting first. 1. Sorting coming now. Apple, bat, cat, Java, rat. Sir, sorting means implemented from comparable writing comparative method must be there, no sir. That is user defined class only. Then what about predefined class? You not written predefined, no? In the library already constructed and available for us. I'll open the string class now. Java.lang.string class I am opening. This string class, see there. Can you see comparable? Java.lang.comparable. Can you see? Means string class from the library already implemented from comparable. And the comparative method they given to us already. Already comparative method is there or not now? Means what? Sir, already string class implemented from comparable. So it is doing comparisons. What about integer, sir? See there. Java.lang.integer. I only drawn the diagram now to you. Yes sir, no, no. Sir, 2 days, holidays, no sir, forget it or what? Right. I drawn one diagram in wrapper class to you. My name. Wrapper class I will draw generally. All these are implemented from where now? Compare. Means all will support sorting. 100 if I speak, you will not understand. But interview question that only. When I want to do sorting process on objects, what I will do? Means you must say, if it is array, I'll take the support of java.util.arrays class, providing one method known as a sort. Which algorithm the sort uses? Then you must say, if it is a user-defined class objects, it will use merge. If not, it will use quick. So, is there any process to starting? Then you must say implemented and so on, right? Then you are not implementing string class and integer classes. No means you must say that internal to your library, they are already implemented from comparable. When they are implemented from comparable, they support sorting. String I cannot draw. No, string I not concluded actually. String chapter I not concluded. String I given some methods, I given concept only. Some methods still I not introduced. I stopped it. Not only your batch, in all the batches, string concept I'll complete. But application I'll continue. Some other I'll use them. Understand? Still, moreover, already this also waiting, no? Sir, this one also waiting, sir. Since many days, this also waiting. Main method, parameter also string only, no? That also waiting. So we stop that string. Whenever I conclude the string, I'll draw this diagram also. Hierarchy I'll draw. In that hierarchy, comparable is there. All of you understood? Right. Okay. Now, sorting can be performed directly here. So, exit I'm doing here. Sorting I don't know. Exit I'm doing. So, remaining, can I construct tomorrow this one? Right. Can I do? So, it takes time. Nothing is there. I'll introduce that slowly, how to display that. Means each string character I'll display, manual code I'll write it. If not, I should write fastly, but tomorrow I'll introduce. It takes 15-20 minutes. This one I'll do. So for today, you run this program and come. And if you have time, try this to and come. Already assignment is there, but add to it and come once. Okay, right. So this program, I'll add it to you. Tomorrow I'll reconstruct this program again. Demo, array 2. Array 2 or 3. 3.java, only main class, subclass not available. In this main class, I kept one output. I am copying this output, right? This is the notes for today. One diagram. Take a break. If possible, try this to and come. Tomorrow I'll explain this too for you, how to display them. After that, tomorrow I'll conclude your array. Then I'll take some methods available in the string chapter, I'll bring it. Some methods I'll bring out tomorrow. After concluding that methods, then I'll explain public static void main. That string args is there, no? What is that string args? I'll explain it. Because string array came no already. What is that args? I'll explain by tomorrow to you, right? Take a break for today. Thank you very much for today. Up to Saturday, notes updated. No. Correct. ఇందని చెప్పడం కోసం
అంటే ప్రింట్ చేస్తే ఓన్లీ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ రిఫరెన్స్ వస్తుంది.
ఇక్కడ టాపిక్స్ టూ స్ట్రింగ్ స్పెల్లింగ్ తప్పు రాసు యూజర్ డిఫరెంట్ క్లాస్ లో టూ స్ట్రింగ్ అనే మెథడ్ పేరు తప్పు రాసు రాజు అయిపోతుంది కదా నెంబర్ రాయకూడదు అది 11 ఏముండదు ఏఎల్ఎల్ అయి ఏ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఉంటుంది స్ట్రింగ్స్ లో ఫస్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ L1 ఇది L2 అంటాం L1 L2 ఇక్కడ అవసరం లేదా మనీ ఉందని చెప్తున్నారు తీసుకొని అవసరం లేదు. ఏ రాయలేదు అసలు.
అడ్రస్
తప్పు రాస్తున్నావు టూ స్ట్రింగ్ సిస్టమ్ పట్టుకొని రా అడ్రస్ వస్తుంది అంటే నువ్వు సరిగ్గా టూ స్ట్రింగ్ రన్ అవుతలేదు టూ స్ట్రింగ్ మెథడ్ ని ప్రీ డిఫైన్ రన్ అవుతలేదు అని సిస్టమ్ పట్టుకొని రా టెక్స్ట్ నీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అంటే స్నాప్షాట్ పెట్టాలి నీ టూ స్ట్రింగ్ లో ఎస్ లోయర్ కేసు రాసి ఉంటాం
సార్ మనం ఇక్కడ జస్ట్ ఓన్లీ వేరియబుల్ రెఫరెన్స్ ఇచ్చాము ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ అంటే కన్స్యూమర్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ ఈక్వల్ టు వేరియబుల్
ఇక్కడ లాంబ్డా కే అది మెథడ్ కదా
some method use to direct variable
లాంబ్డా అడ్వాన్స్
కన్స్యూమర్ ఒక ఫంక్షన్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ ఉంటుంది ఆ ఫంక్షన్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ ఏం రాసి ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు వేరియబుల్ ఇచ్చి
ఏ వేరియబుల్ తీసుకోవచ్చు
ఏ వేరియబుల్
ప్రీ డిఫైన్ అక్కడ టీ ఉంటుంది కదా
వేరియబుల్స్
ఏదైనా తీసుకోవాలి
అంటే కన్స్యూమర్ ఆఫ్ టీ రెప్రజెంట్
అదే టీ కింద తీసుకుంటా అంటావా
కన్స్యూమర్ ఆఫ్ టీ రెఫరెన్స్ వేరియబుల్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు రెఫరెన్స్ వేరియబుల్ లాంబ్డా ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఈ పక్కనే రెఫరెన్స్ డైరెక్ట్ వేరియబుల్స్
కన్జ్యూమర్ అనేది ఇంటర్ఫేస్ కన్జ్యూమర్ దానికి ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ నేమ్ తీసుకుంటా అంటున్నావా ఇక్కడ తీసుకోలేదు అంటున్నావా తీసుకొని పాస్ చేస్తావా పాస్ చేసుకో అదే అట్లా ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ అవుతుందని చెప్పాను కదా ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ అవుతుందని వచ్చినప్పుడు ఓబీని పాస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు రెడికేట్ తీసుకున్నాం కదా రెడికేట్
డైరెక్ట్ వస్తుంది
అచ్చా నువ్వు ఇంక అరేస్ లోనే ఉన్నావా కలెక్షన్ లో తీసుకుంటున్నావు ఫార్మేట్ అక్కడ నువ్వు కన్జ్యూమర్ కి డైరెక్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ తీసుకొని ఓబీని పాస్ చేయి అర్థమైంది కదా ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని పాస్ చేస్తా అంటున్నావు నువ్వు పాస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు మహేష్ అరవింద్ గారు సార్ డోర్ అయ్యారు 5 minutes డోర్ అయ్యారు సార్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్